This is a cat near to me, near to me. That is a bat, far you see, far you see. This is my ball, right in my hand, right in my hand. That is your ball, over the sand, over the sand. Hello, hello. Today we're going to learn this and that. This and that. This is a cat. This is a cat. The cat is near. This is a cat. This is a rat. The rat is near. This is a rat. That is a bat. The bat is far. That is a bat. That is a mat. The mat is far. That is. This is. Now let me ask you a question. The eraser. This or that? Yes, this, because it's near. This is an eraser. This is an eraser. This is. But now, look at the eraser and look at my hand. This or that? Yes, that. That, because the eraser is far. That is my eraser. That is. This is. That is. This, that. Okay, now let's go to another page. What this? What this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a cat. What this? This is a rat. What is this? This is a rat. The cat is near. The rat is near. What is this? What is this? What is that? That is a bat. The bat is far. What is that? What is that? That. What is that? That is a mat. The mat is far. What is that? That is a mat. Now let's ask and answer about the eraser. What is this or what is that? Look at my hand. Yes, what is this? This is an eraser. What is this? This is an eraser. But now, what is this or what is that? Perfect. What is that? That is an eraser. What is that? That, this. That, this. Now, let's answer some questions. Question number 1. Choose the correct picture. Let's read the word and look at the pictures and choose which one. That. 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 Perfect. That. That is a plane. Number 2, this. This. Yes, this is for near. This. This. That. That. Which one is that? Yes, the far car. That. This. Which one is near? This. This is an apple. The apple is in my hand. This is. This. This. You can answer question number 2 and question number 3. They are easy. Now let's answer question number 4 together. Write this or that, then choose A or N. Question number 1. This or that is A or an orange? Look at the orange. It's in my hand. So, yes, this for near. This. A or an? The orange starts with O. Do you remember A and N? Perfect. An, because orange starts with a vowel. This is an orange. This is an orange. Question number 2. Look at the picture. The balloon. Is it near or far? Yes, it's in my hand. So, this. Perfect. This. This is A or an balloon. The word balloon starts with B. B is a consonant. Yes, perfect. This is a balloon. This is a balloon. Question number 3. The kite. This is or that is. The kite is far. Perfect. That is A or an kite. Kite starts with K. It's not one of the 5 vowels. So we're going to choose A. That is a kite. That is a kite. Question number 4. The umbrella. It's in my hand. So this is near. Yes, this. This is a or an umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. It's one of the 5 vowels. Perfect. And this is an umbrella. Question number 5. The elephant. Is it near or far? Yes, the elephant is far. So we're going to choose that. That is A or an elephant. The word elephant starts with E. E is one of the 5 vowels. And that is an elephant. There's an elephant. So the question was very easy. Now let's go to another question. Write the questions. What this or what that? Look at the hat or the cap. What this or what that? It's far. So we're going to write what that. What is that? Or what's? What is or what's that? Question number 2. The bag is near. So what is this? Perfect. What's this? The following question. The tie is near. Yes, what is this? What is this? The following question. The dress is for. Perfect. What is that? What's that? Question number 5. The pen is for. What is that? What is that? Question number 6. The eraser is near. What is this? What is this? So this is for singular and near. This is for singular and near. That is for singular and far. This question is for you. You can answer the question. Now let's read these words together. Let's read about the clothes. A cap. A cap. A dress. A dress. A jacket. A jacket. A sweater. A sweater. A tie. A tie. A t-shirt. A t-shirt. A mat. A mat. A bowl. A bowl. Sand. Sand. Near. Near. far far. هنا الصور بس معكوسة، أوكي؟ مفروض إن دي near قريب، far بعيد. الصور بس معكوسة. a car a car. a balloon a balloon. a kite a kite. وبكده نكون خلصنا درسنا النهاردة، وهو كان يونت 3 من كتاب استباهت جرامر فون ليفل 1. كانت معاكم مس رحمة شعبان. تنسوش لايك وشير وفولو لبيج ايزي انجليزي على كل المنصات. استنوا الدرس الجاي. باي باي.